Hello students. Now today we will discuss about the general environment. Previous lectures we are discussing about the external environment and which is affecting on the external environment. Now we are moving towards the general environment. So we will take here there are the many forces or the factors can influence how business performs in the market, and we can broadly say that if when considering the strategic business decisions or organization analysis, the six general environment forces are there. These forces which spell out as a PESTEL. These six forces are spelled as a PESTEL and categorized as political, economic, socio-cultural, technology, environment, and legal factors. These are the six forces which are affecting on the general environment. Understanding this variety of the factors and how they affect on a business can direct how your organization seeks to achieve its goals and how they are articulate themselves. So these are the six factors we have to specifically closely observe this, and on according to that we have to plan and we have to make the decisions, and so that we can improve our business and all these things. The general environment or macro environment is variety of the factors beyond an organization's control. Means these are the external factors. General environment factors are maybe the external factors, and and, and we cannot control these factors on the operation or the performance of our business. Now, this external influence can determine whether a business experience opportunities or the setbacks in the markets. They may have this positive impact or the negative impact, so that we have to closely observe these things, and according to that we have to take a decisions. General environment can shape how company brand itself, or the products they choose to sell, or how it interact with the other businesses or regulatory agencies. So there are the different factors. As I say that PESTEL, all these factors are affecting on the performance of this particular or branding of the my business or on any other things. Company also examine the general environment when conducting the market research and strategic analysis. Before we are setting up the business, we have to think in that point of view that so how these uh, forces of the general environment are affecting on the my business. So if we take the factors of the general environment, these you can maybe seems that these are similar to the external environment factors, because as I said that the many of the factors are similar to the external environment factors. As we already discussed about political factors. So what are the policies of the government, rules and regulations set by the government, or the decisions made by the government, or taxation policy which is made by the government. These are the politically all these issues are affecting, and these are these factors which are including in the political process. Economic condition, as I previously also we discussed about that, what is economic conditions which of this consumer, how the income of this customer, what is the marketplace, how the economy is growing for that particular place. Based on this particular, these factors are affecting here. Socio-cultural factors, as we are also discussed that the different demographic conditions and socio-culturalisms and the combination of the social and cultural contributions. Many factors are there. There are genders, and gender is also playing the roles. Age is also playing the roles. Many things are there which are affecting on the things, and many different social issues are also there which are also affecting on the business. So these are also the one part of the general environment. Technology also we discussed in as external environment factor. It is also the part of the general environment factor. So as we know that technology is changing, we have to cope up with the technology, and we have to include the latest technology in environment so that we can affect the good way in this particular. So we have to see this environment, how technology is changing, what are the things which we have to take into the mind, and how we can go further. This all these things we have to take into the mind, and according to that we have to move further. Then environmental factors are there. The environmental factors like the climate change, natural disasters, pollution levels, which are also playing the important role and which are also affecting in a positive or negative way in this. There can be the supply chain or the increase in the cost of the raw materials, which is also the things environmental factors. Some of the raw materials are very crucial. Now we are having this lithium based batteries where lithium is very important. So this is the one of the things environmental factor which is affecting on the business of this battery. So these are the things which we have to take into the mind, and how like that we are having the things. And it is clear in the interest trend that energy company creating the clean energy alternatives for their consumers, such as the solar or wind energy, which is also the one of the part which we have to affecting on this as an environmental factor. So many things are there which we have to think into the right manner. One of the thing is plastic usage is also the on the high range. Just that Trump is also said that you don't depend on the USA for all the climate control disaster in the climates or the to control these pollutions or other things. So many things are there which is revolving around the environmental factors. So these are the one part of this general environment. Then this legal, which we are said that some legal factors include the health and safety regulations, employability laws, antitrust laws, discriminations laws. Many laws are there. Industry specific regulations are also there. Many things are there which are also included in this general environment factor as a legal force. Now we move towards the task environment. So up till now we are discussing these different environment. In that we are moving towards now the task environment. Task environment of an organization is environment which directly affect the organization from attaining the business goal. So task environment is set of conditions originated from the supplier, distributor, consumers, or the stock market and competitor, which directly affect the organizations from achieving its goal. So these are not the uh, external factors, they are directly related, or internal factors are also there and external also there, but they are directly affecting on the performance of the company. The supplier, distributor, consumers, or competitor all form the part of the entire ecosystem in which an organization operates. And these are all are the internal components are forces are there. On that, this whole performance of the business is there. So this is the one of the things which you are having. Every business needs the other business to make sure that the best product is created for the customer, meeting the needs and also earn the profit. Because all these things are revolve about the profit, how we can make the profit by fulfilling the needs of the customers and how we can get the things done. So all these are the factors which are directly affecting on the profit. These interdependent conditions form the task environment. These are not depends upon each other, but they are affecting on the performance and the of this particular business. So these are the things which we are having here. Task environment helps in identifying the environmental factors responsible for the success of the company or product. So these are the task environments which we can say that identifying the environmental factors also for successing these things. Now we will move towards the what are the factors which we are having. First important factor is competitor. Generally looks for the higher margin, and for this they provide the unique features to the product, thus try to create the difference. Means every product, two products which are performing the same functions, but there are some additional features which we are giving. Like your mobile phones, main purpose of the mobile phone is make the connection with the other peoples and do the communications. But nowadays we are having the more other features are also there. Now we are having the mobile phones which are having the camera, But now we are having this AI technology is included here. They are giving you the so much option. Every phone is having the different options. So competition is very tough. Like that, we are having the different shoemaking company, that Adidas, Nike, Puma, all are the shoemaker companies which are producing the shoes, but they are segmented there in a different style, and they are specifically focused on the premium customer. Like that, we are having this different things are there. We have to make a target of this particular. Sparks is there, and Adidas, Nike, Puma is also there. But Adidas, Nike, Puma is targeting different customer, and this Spark is targeting on the different. So these are the competitions. In that again, they are making some differences. Second factor is customer. Organizations also compete for the customers as well as the for wholesalers, retailers, etc. Customer decide the fate of any company, and hence companies try their level best to to lo, to have this better opportunity or rule this particular things. So here you can say that customer is also important. You can take the one example. So what example we are taking here? See here, the customer might start looking for some other alternative due to shift in a consumer behavior, like moving from the conventional vehicle to the electrical vehicle. The shift might have been caused by the competitor. So we are having this now. Every company is that. If you take the car companies, we are previously having the petrols and then diesels. Nowadays, every car manufacturing moving into the electrical vehicle. So like that, it is competition is there, because one companies come into this electrical vehicle, so other have to also push there, because they are getting the alternate choice to the customer, and they can move towards that. So companies are making sure that they are keeping their market share as it is by coming into this electrical vehicle also. Then next is what supplier. The supplier having the high bargaining power if the raw material is being supplied are rare. Means this material is very rare, then suppliers having this better bargaining powers. If there is a less number of supplier in market, they demand the more things for that, and they can bargain about this. So it is important that we have to keep the good relations with the supplier and maintain the good relations. Then we the company often take this things like this supplier to reduce the risk for this particular, and we can have the maintain the good relations with these things. Now we are having the one of the example of this Nestle, which is the specifically having the food for the babies, or the baby foods they are producing. So some of the supplier like the Kirti Nutrients is the one of the supplier of the Nestle. They are maintain their good relations from the long years, so that they are having this good task environment. Similar fashion, the fourth factor is that distributors. Distributors who are become the intermediator between the retailers and wholesalers, or between the manufacturers and wholesalers, plays a vital role in a task manager. This is also this important links here, distributors. How these distributors are promoting our product, and how they are reaching with the more and more people. In that case, these distributors are also important in a task environment. So today we will stop here. Next lectures we will discuss the next points. So we hope that we are discuss these task environments and factors which are affecting here. Thank you very much. We will meet in a next lecture. Thank you.